Hello, today I want to show you two examples, and one of them is about the BSD direction, another one is about the DMD2. Let's see and start it. As you see, and as I said, these setups and direction work in every market. For example, here, this is the oil, and this time frame is daily. Okay, you should just practice and do it. As you see, we have a order block that another candle engulf it. Here, let me zoom in. But price had a reaction and break it. Let me turn it on. FVG. As you see, price break it, and we have a little FVG in this area. So we are hopeful price in the future came to this area, had a reaction to this area, and then goes down. Let's see what will happen. First of all, we need to find the unmitigated block in this area. Okay, so I change it to 1 hour time frame, and let me hide this indicator. Okay, let me a little zoom out. As you see, this was our blind spot area in the daily time frame, and now we are in 1 hour time frame. As you see, price had a hard reaction to this area and break it. So when we have a breakout something like this, and we have a unmitigated block in this area, we are hopeful that price had a reaction to this area in the future. Okay, let's see what will happen. And here we have another direction that I will explain it in our second example. As you see, price came to this area. Let me zoom in this area. Price break this area and made a change of character. Okay, but we don't have a QMR here. We should wait. Okay, price break our area for the second time. Sorry. This is our BOS. As you see, we have a unmitigated block in this area. So we should wait, and let me change it to this. As you see, we have a one of our 5 setups. This is QMM. Okay, let me zoom out. We are waiting. Price came to this area and goes till here, but we have another condition. If price first come to this area, we call this area danger zone. and then goes to this area, we should be very careful. It has a high risk. Okay. Price came back from the middle of this range, and as you see, touch this unmitigated block. We have FVG here, and we have a liquidity and many other. Put their stop loss above this area. All of these are liquidity in this area. Okay, now we are waiting for a engulfing candle for confirmation and then enter to the market. Okay, this can be our engulfing candle. And I put my stop loss above this area because there is another unmitigated block. Maybe price came to this area, but we enter here. Sometimes price goes down very fast. Put my TP at least here. My risk reward ratio is around the 2. Let's see what will happen. Okay, as you see, price touch our target and we are in the live of the market. Price came to this area, touch this danger zone, and we are close our trade. As you see, price goes very fast and didn't touch again this area. After engulfing candle, we enter to the market. Okay, let's see the second example and second real forecast example. Let me, okay, my network has a problem. This example happened in the lower time frame. As you see, we have double Marubozu, second one, DMD2. Price break this area very fast, quickly. Then price come and touch this area. This is our main time frame. For entry, we need the lower time frame. Let's see what is in the 1 minute. As you see in 1 minute, price, oh, let me see it very carefully. Okay, let's see this one. We find our area. This is pink color. This is our 1 minute. Come to this area, made the change of character here, and goes up. We have a QMR here from this area to here. This is our QMR. Okay, as you see, price didn't touch our area, but finally came to this area, touch this QMR, and where is our engulfing candle? Our engulfing candle is here. we start and put our entry here, our stop loss here, a little above, a little lower than our QMR area. And if you enter to the market without any confirmation, maybe you lose. As you see, we have an engulfing candle here, we have a QMR here, but we don't have engulfing candle, we don't have confirmation, so we didn't enter to the market. As you see, price with a little shadow come out of our QMR area. But after we see engulfing candle, we enter to the market and about the TP. One of our TP can be here, and as you see, it's around 3.59 till here, and it's enough because there is a unmitigated block. Price had a reaction to that a little, but if you have a patient, you can't wait to the market, and price came up, had a reaction to this block. Its risk reward ratio is around 5. Okay, I hope you enjoy today. I hope you enjoy these two examples, and don't afraid of the market. Just practice. One day you can trade many of these positions. Stay with me.